І там же піде. Дивіться, підерська зешка. І ще один лежить без башенки.
Update on the drone attack on the Russian airbase in Pskov. Belarusian air defensives observed the drones, reported them to command, but never received authorization to fire due to orders from Lukashenko not to interfere in the conflict. Several sources in Minsk confirmed that President Lukashenko had ordered an investigation into the reasons for the mass drone overflight of Pskov through the territory of Belarus. The KGB of Belarus sent a report to the President of Belarus, which says that the country's air defense did not react to the drone overflight, while the duty group informed the command and the leadership of the Ministry of Defense. But there was no order to shoot down. An official who previously worked in Lukashenko's entourage believes that Lukashenko gave an order not to interfere in the conflict, and explained to Moscow that the drones could be launched by saboteurs and guerrillas who were being held back by the Belarusian army. The attack on Pskov airfield was carried out from the territory of the Russian Federation. General Budanov, in an interview to Warzone, he added that 2 Russian Il-76 planes were destroyed and 2 were seriously damaged. Images from a drone equipped with an infrared camera provided by Defense Intelligence confirmed that the planes were damaged and destroyed. The attack was centered at the top of the planes where the fuel tanks are located, which likely led to the fire and total destruction of the planes. There is speculation that one of the drones dropped a bomb on the aircraft, according to a video that was sourced by the publication. This may indicate that the drone was launched from an area close to the airfield, according to journalists. Meanwhile, a new drone attack on Pskov airfield was reported yesterday. The first nuclear warheads have recently been delivered to Belarus, says Ukrainian Defense Intelligence Chief Kirilo Budanov. However, Budanov does not consider this a threat, as it is not a nuclear weapon but a means of nuclear deterrence and a means of raising the stakes. Who are they putting missiles with a range of 120 kilometers against? They will be destroyed at the first moment, Budanov summarized.
Це не ядерна зброя, а засіб ядерного стримування. Це перше, що я вам хочу нагадати.
Для чого тоді вони ставили там?
Це велика геополітична гра. А який сенс ставити взагалі ядерну зброю в Білорусі, коли вони кажуть, що це на противагу блоку НАТО? Ну, це очевидно, в принципі, вони цього ніколи не приховували. То який сенс ставити на передовій лінії ядерну зброю? І вона точно буде або знищена, або захоплена.
President Zelensky talks about regular bavovnas on the enemy's territories.
Чергову бавовну. І десь там, на території агресора, різні випадки. Іноді вони дуже гучні, іноді менш гучні, але всі вони дають трошки більше відчуття справедливості. Бо війна з її наслідками повертається назад, повертається до агресора. Наші люди цінують відчуття справедливості, цінують те, що агресор не залишається безкарним. І коли гілочки, бавовни стоять, а тут в Києві, в кримсько-татарських кафе, наприклад, це символізує якраз таке задоволення від відчуття справедливості.
And finally, we have the video of the famous capture of the Major Tomov group in Kozachi Lahari. Replenishment of the exchange fund. And like the Javelin anti-tank missiles, then the HIMARS and the M777 howitzers, the US-supplied weapons has made the difference in a Russian aggression against Ukraine. Now the impact is made with the cluster weapons, which is wreaking havoc among Russian troops. Ukrainian special forces from the Kraken unit move with Turkish-supplied Otokar Cobra II and German-supplied BTT UMG IMVs somewhere at the front line. Ukrainian military passers-by destroyed Russian tanks in the Zaporozhia region. No translation needed.
І там же піде. Дивіться, підерська зешка. І ще один лежить без башенки.
At this point alone in the Zaporizhia region, the Ukrainian army lost 3 Stryker infantry fighting vehicles, 1 MRAP and 1 Soviet tank on the battlefield. But for the Ukrainians, the vehicles have served their purpose. Not only did they save the crews from death, but the entire area was liberated from Russian invaders through the use of mostly Western technology. It remains questionable how long the Western vehicles delivered will last for such costly missions. As a reminder, Germany does not supply either Fuchs, Weasel, Fennec, or more Dingo or M113, although they could hand over well over 2,000 of them for protected transport use after appropriate upgrading.
Ясно. Медведський Володимир Броніславович, село Березнянка. Житомирська, та взять, може віддати комусь, хай лежить. Я теж його. Не доїхали трохи.
Video of the first bell celebration in Kharkiv subway to mark the beginning of the new school year. Recall that the city subway can hold lessons for pupils of first and second grades. Ukrainian Mi-8 door gunner view of a patrol along the Odessa coast.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.